Hello guys, welcome back to my channel after a very long time. I hope everything is going well. Recently I shifted to my new house. Then I realized everything is going smart, then why not make my home smarter? So that's how my journey started. In this first episode video, I will only show you quick overview of my completely DIY smart home and demonstrate you how everything is working. And I hope you can grab some knowledge or idea to implement in your house. Let's go. You can see my Node-RED user interface, or you can say Node-RED dashboard as well. For those who don't know about Node-RED, Node-RED is a browser flow based editor tool in which you can connect many things like sensor, IoT devices. It's a very powerful tool. You can do so many complex automation. And the second thing I'm using is MQTT to transfer data between devices. I will explain you in a different video, but for now, let's come back to the topic. I will explain you every features I implement this dashboard. See, everything's turned on except fan. Let's see, fan on, fan off. Light on, off, LED on, off. Or you can control fan speed as well, but wait. First, you have to know about this fan. This fan comes with this little IR remote. This fan is not like a normal one. It's a Havells Neo 25 watt BLDC fan. These are really efficient one. Anyways, I did a little bit of hacking and generate the IR code of this remote and program the ESP32. Now your fan are smart. You can control it with your mobile. You can hear the receiving sound. This is look like a simple switchboard like every house have, but these are completely different. These are digitally controlled. I will show you how. Look, whenever I flip the switch, the state in UI also changed. Tube light off, LED off. Turn it back on. Look, fan on. Fan is starting. Turn back off to stop noise. You can control every light from web UI and by switchboard as well. Both are completely synchronized. Let's see. Socket on, off. You can use it for anything, whatever you plugged in this socket. Sometimes my family members gets confused. If this switch looks in on condition, then why lights are off? Hey, but these are work in a different way. These work like a digital switch. Actually, these switches are connected to the GPI of the SP32 controller and then control the LED. There are no direct attachment between these switches and the main lights or whatever appliances I'm using. ESP32 is the brain of the whole system. I will show you in next video how I install everything inside this switchboard. Anyways, you can control from laptop as well at the same time. Look, my LED bulb is off and I'm going to turn it on from my laptop. Look, LED is on. That's how it works. If you want to turn off all the lights, by simply click this all off button, my whole light are off, all light are on. I know you might be wondering how I implement fan speed control. This is the most trickiest part of the whole system. Let's see how it's working. Look, look, my house is still in working condition. That's why DB box are open and all wirings are in testing condition. I think most of them are recognize this. This is Google Home Mini and this one is Raspberry Pi running MQTT and Node-RED. This is a smart monitoring panel. I've included so many features in it. This is running with ESP32 and TFT display. I will show you in the another video how I build the whole thing. Currently this one is showing my battery data, and also publish all data to the MQTT. You can see this infrared transmitter sensor. This one is controlled by ESP32. That's why we can control with Node-RED and from this panel as well. Let's see how it works. If I press button 4, we are on fan control screen. If you want to turn it on, just press button 1. You can hear the sound. Look, fan is starting. This one is controlled by this IR LED. Fan is running on full speed. If you want to control the fan speed, just press button 3. You can hear the sound. Fan speed set to 4. Again press button 4. You are back to the main screen. This one is connected to my Arduino Pro Mini via UART communication and take the whole data and so on the screen, and also publish to the MQTT. If you are interested about this panel, let me know in comment section. I will make separate video for you. Now I am going to show my Google Assistant control feature. Okay Google, turn on LED bulb.
Okay, turning the LED bulb on.
Okay Google, turn off LED bulb.
Got it, turning the LED bulb off.
Off. You can control every light with Google Assistant and set different routines in Google Home app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.